question says, I used to email my receipts to QuickBooks and had the option to choose receipt, expense, or a bill. Now I only get expense and bill. It doesn't automatically match it. You have to save it, and then they said they had to go back to the bank import and match it. Let me show you how I do this and the couple of ways and things that's going on in here, okay? And I'm going to give you an example. So I use Ring Central for my business phone, and whenever I get the bill emailed, or I get the receipt for my services each month emailed to me, I forward that email to my QuickBooks, which is a feature that I've done a couple of videos on how to set up. So right here is my email receipt for my phone bill. I'm going to click on review. This is what's coming up, and it basically gives you the option to select the transaction type. And like you said, it's only an expense or a bill. But right up here, it says search for a match. So that's what I'm going to click on to make sure that I have not already entered it. Central. Okay. So here it brings up all the expenses, and this is this receipt, $48.59. That's how I do that, because then it creates the expense for me, or it pulls up the expense that already existed and it attaches my email. The difference is if I had not had my telephone expense already in my QuickBooks, it would not have found that match, right? And in that case, if I can't find the expense that the receipt matches to, that's when I would go back and create the expense from the receipt. When you upload a receipt, you need, my way of doing this is that I like to search for a match first to make sure I'm not going to end up doubling my transaction. When I upload a receipt, I search for a match first, and then if I don't find a matching transaction, that means it's not in QuickBooks yet. So I can then create a new expense from that receipt. Whenever that expense transaction comes through on the bank import, it will automatically show that I have a matching receipt for that. I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.